Classic Legends Private Limited, part of the Mahindra Group, has shared a block your date invite with the media, confirming the resurrection date for the much-awaited YesD motorcycles. The Indian manufacturer will revive YesD on 13th of January 2022, and the company is expected to launch at least 3 new motorcycles under the storied brand. The company has been teasing YesD's return for the past couple of weeks, and the lineup is likely to include an adventure, scrambler, and a roadster motorcycle. Recent images of YesD motorcycles during a TVC shoot also confirm that the brand's first products will be the YesD Adventure, YesD Scrambler, and the YesD Road King. The lineup will take on the offerings from Royal Enfield as well as Honda and Benelli in the segment. The YesD range will be sharing its underpinnings with Jawa Motorcycles, also owned by Classic Legends. More details on the pricing, specifications, and availability will be uncovered next month. Škoda Auto has teased the Enyaq Coupe iV, which is the coupe version of the Enyaq electric SUVs sold in developed markets. The new Enyaq Coupe iV will debut next year on the 31st of January 2022 and shares its underpinnings with the Volkswagen ID.5 built on the company's MEB platform. The Škoda Enyaq Coupe iV will have a drag coefficient of 0.234 and is expected to offer a range of 535 km on a single charge. The lower drag coefficient will help the Enyaq Coupe achieve a higher range when compared to the standard Enyaq's range of 510 km. The new coupe electric SUV will be offered with 62 kWh and 82 kWh battery pack options. Power output will range between 174 brake horsepower and 253 brake horsepower. Compared to the standard Enyaq iV, the new coupe version will sacrifice a bit of headroom. Volkswagen has released a new teaser for its upcoming fully electric van, the ID. Buzz, and this time around the company has hinted that the EV will make it to production in 2022. The new ID. Buzz is essentially a modern electric avatar of the iconic Volkswagen bus, and the company has already revealed a concept car, which Volkswagen was testing for self-driving application. The upcoming Volkswagen ID. Buzz will be offered in both personal and commercial vehicle options, with autonomous technology mainly being used for the latter. Visually, the ID. Buzz will have a typical van-like design. The pre-production unit in the teaser also reveals a beefy front bumper with a diamond pattern grille and front sensors. While the official specifications are yet to be announced, the concept version promises about 364 brake horsepower with a 111 kWh battery pack and a range of 432 km on a single charge. The concept version was also equipped with all-wheel drive with 2 electric motors on offer, one on each axle.
We simply love hearing from you. So your comments and feedback are important. Subscribe to our channel, react to this video, and of course, watch our other videos too.